Hey everyone, welcome back in today's video. I'm super excited to show you my Whisper Audio Transcriber. So this is a local app, no cloud needed, that records or uploads audio, then uses OpenAI's Whisper model to turn it into text and even tells you the language it heard. So let's jump right in. So I started with a simple goal, turning speech into text as easy as clicking a button. I wanted it offline so my audio never leaves my computer. Along the way, I tried using Ollama but ran into some issues because now Ollama doesn't have, I couldn't pull Whisper on Ollama. I think they don't have that model. So that was the issue. So I switched to the Whisper Python package, which was built for audio from the ground up. Here's my main file. First, I load the Whisper model once at startup so we don't reload it every time you hit transcribe. So next thing on the transcribe endpoint, I take the incoming file, save it as a temp wave and call it model.transcribe to get the text and detect the language. So after that, I clean up by deleting the temp file, no clutter left behind, and that's all it takes to turn audio into text on the back end. So moving on to the front end. So this is our Streamlit interface. We start by configuring the page with a title, icon, and centered the layout. Then added a custom CSS block for clean visuals, rounded cards, and green buttons. So you'll see light and dark theme toggle. If you want to change the theme, you can click on that. And if you check, the record with microphone slider appears so you can pick how many seconds to record. So if you hit record and your voice is captured right there, or just upload an MP3 file. Finally, click transcribe and the app sends your audio to the back end, then displays the transcript, detected language, word count, plus there's a download link so you can save the text. Alright, now let's see this live demo. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just change the theme to dark theme. And first let me upload a file. So I'm gonna upload this file, then open, then transcribe, and then let's wait for it to transcribe. It's gonna take a second to load. So there we go. So it's done. Transcription successful. So here's what was said. Blah 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 blah. So you're gonna go through it, and there we go. Language detected. EN means English, and the word count is 1286. So what you wanna do is download the transcription. You can still do that, and then you open that guy up. So it's gonna open in your Word, but yeah, the font won't be looking very nice. So you wanna go back there, and now let's try. Now let's click on the record with microphone. Say I want to record for 8 seconds. I love AI so much because I get to learn a lot of things about AI agents and I'm learning every day. Cool, now it's done. And then you want to click this three dotted line, download. Then as soon as it's done, you can tick there, browse, sorry, come here, open, then transcribe the recently recorded audio. There we go. I love AI so much because I get to learn a lot of things about AI agents and I'm learning. So language, it was English, word count 20, and I can still download my transcription. Thank you so much for watching my video and going through this with me. It was a very fun activity. I learned a lot because most of the time I'm using Ollama models, but now it didn't work with the Whisper, so I had to think deep and come up with some solutions and also try to make my Streamlit UI a little bit fun with adding a light and a dark theme and also adding a language with word count, just trying to see how will that look, as well as the biggest highlight of it did was record with microphone, seeing if I can record something, I'll be able to translate it after. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.